Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un clavito. Un clavito clavó un clavito en la calva de un clavito. Tongue twister. Tongue twisters, very interesting in Spanish. Tres tristes trigos tragaban trigo nutrical. Tres tristes trigos tragaban trigo nutrical. The tongue, yes. Very interesting. 3, 2, 1. Tongue twisters in Spanish, guys. Maybe you know a lot of them in your native language, but in Spanish, we have also interesting tongue twisters. And this is what we are going to do today because it's very useful when we are learning a foreign language. And why is that? Because the tongue twisters are useful to improve pronunciation, the speech, the diction, yes. Is very good and it's very useful when we learn the language and do some tongue twister at the same time. And it's funny, yes, it's funny, it's cool, it's very interesting. Let's do today only 2 tongue twisters in Spanish. And first we will read the tongue twister and then we will try to do it faster. What do you think about that? The first one today is Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un calvito. Un clavito clavó Pablito en la calva de un calvito. Interesting. Guys, the first one is, we need to do it faster. Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un clavito. Un clavito clavó Pablito en la calva de un clavito. Un clavito clavó Pablito en la calva. It's very hard. Let's try the second time. Pablito clavó un clavito en la... Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un calvito. Un clavito clavó Pablito en la calva de un calvito. Good, guys. Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un calvito. Clavito clavó un clavito en la calva de un calvito. The first part normal, the second is very hard. Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un calvito. Clavito, cablito. What I'm talking about? Nonsense. Let's try again. It's very funny. Yeah, I think you are laughing now because I'm very bad at tongue twisters. But just try yourself at home. Maybe you do it better than me. And let's try again. What do you think? Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un calvito. Y Pablito, un calvito, clavó en la calva de un calvito. So hard. So hard. It's very hard. Guys, Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un clavito. Un calvito clavó Pablito en la calva de un calvito. Oh, it's better, guys. And the number 2 today is slow. 3 tristes tigres tragaban trigo en un trigal. En 3 tristes trastos tragaban trigo 3 tristes tigres. Just let's try, guys. We have nothing to lose. It will be very funny because when I'm doing mistakes, you are laughing there. But it's good, guys. It's fun. We are having fun learning Spanish here with tongue twisters. Let's try again. 3 tristes trigos tragaban trigo en un trigal. 3 tristes tigres trastos tragaban trigo en 3 tristes tigres. Tongue twister, trabalengua, in Spanish. 3 tristes trigos tragaban trigo en un trigal. En 3 tristes trastos tragaban trigo 3 tristes tigres. It's good, but faster is more interesting. 3 tristes trigos tragaban trigo en un trigal. 3 tristes tigres tragaban trigo en un trigal. 3 tristes trigos tragaban trigo en un trigal. 3 tristes tigres... 3 tristes trigo, I said. 3 tristes tigres tragaban trigo en un trigal. En 3 tristes trastros tragaban trigo 3 tristes tigres. 3 tristes tigres tragaban trigo en un trigal. En 3 tristes trastros tragaban trigo 3 tristes tigres. Oh, tigre. trigger. I say everything correct except the last part. Trigger, trigger, trigger. You see what happened with the tongue twister, guys? Crazy, yeah? Let's try one more time. The two tongue twisters that we did today. The first one. Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un calvito. Un clavito clavó Pablito en la calva de un calvito. And the second one. Tres tristes tigres tragaban trigo en un trigal. En tres tristes trastos tragaban trigo tres tristes tigres. It's more hard. Guys, if you like this video, let me know in the comments what do you think. Do you want more videos with tongue twisters in Spanish to improve your pronunciation, your diction, and your speech in Spanish? Is very useful, guys. Let me know in the comments what do you think. Very funny. If you were laughing there, just let me know. And remember, like and subscribe for future content. See you in the next video. And remember to repeat those tongue twisters that we did today. And see you in the next lesson with tongue twister, because I think it's the new way to learn Spanish for all of you in this channel, at least. Yes. So guys, let's try to say again. Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un calvito. Un calvito clavó un calvito en la palma de Pablito. Y Pablito, Pablito. Ah, so hard. Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un calvito. La palma de un calvito. What is this? Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un calvito. Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un Pablito. What the hell is that? Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un calvito. Un calvito. ¿Un calvito? Wow. Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un calvito. Un clavito clavó Pablito en la calva de un clavito. Tres tristes tigres tragaban trigo en un trigal. En tres tristes trastos tragaban trigo tres tristes tigres. Tres tristes tigres tragaban trigo en un trigal. En tres tristes trastos tragaban trigo tres tristes tigres. Wow. Very good, guys. See you in the next video. Hasta la vista. Ciao. Well done. I hope that you're doing better than me. Tres tristes tigres tragaban trigo en un trigal. En tres tristes trastos tragaban trigo tres tristes tigres. Tigres. We don't have that word in Spanish. Tigres, yes. Tigres, no. Crazy tongue twister. I feel my tongue now is out of my mouth, running there, finding those tongue twisters. Crazy. Patient. Just need patience.